Throughout the ages, humans have always been striving for development and innovation until electricity was discovered. The Earth is lighting up. Accordingly, construction has been increased. There is always an electrical transformer behind the scene everywhere, since the transformer is the backbone of the electric network. Egytrafo Group was established in 1979 as a trading and contracting company for electrical equipment, including transformers and nickel-cadmium batteries. The strong belief of the group founder, Engineer Atif Abdelmenem, in the importance of localizing industry, he decided to establish a factory for oil transformers as well as nickel-cadmium batteries in 1994. Egytrafo has a very strong technical department that works at the highest level of scientific and practical craftsmanship, offering the best and most reliable products that meet our customers' requirements and demand, which are according to the latest IEC standards. Iron core. It is manufactured with first-rate, grain-oriented magnetic, cold-rolled silicon steel laminations. The mountain core is clamped down in order to reduce vibrations and minimize noise levels. Moreover, reducing noise level and no-load losses are achieved by step-lap core construction. Core design is an important factor of any transformer's efficiency. This results in high dimensional accuracy, excellent space factor, and low loss values. By using step-lap technology, the no-load currents can be reduced, improving the drawbacks associated with reactive power compensation. Windings. The windings are made of two components, conductor material and the insulation material. The conductors used are a high-grade electrolytic copper or aluminum. They are insulated with pure cellulose or double enamel. The high-voltage windings are wound either with round, double enamel insulated or rectangular paper insulated wire. The low-voltage windings are wound with rectangular paper insulated wire, enamel wire or foil. Tank walls are made of corrugated cooling surfaces. The bottom plate, side and frames are of welded construction. The welds are tested for oil tightness. All protection device flanges, bushings, tap switch drive, and lifting lugs are fitted on the tank cover. The complete tank is tested and approved according to standards. All metal parts are carefully sandblasted. The initial protective coating is made up of a single coat of 1-pack epoxy paint, 3-phase automatic voltage regulator, overcome the reduction of voltage at far ends of the line source, rating up to 33 kV 600 amps, automatic or manual tap, changing equipment. Advantages: less copper losses, small size as the 3 phases in one tank, less weight, smooth variation of voltage, the capability of measuring voltage at any tap, having a tap position indicator, smart transformers, distribution transformer according to IEC standard, on-load tap changer, control box containing controller with AVR, RTU. The smart transformer is designed to monitor and manage the power supply. The smart transformer is intelligent enough to meet the requirements of upcoming power system, so it will be highly popular in the future. The smart transformer improves the power quality and supply reliability. The right quality right from the start is our ultimate goal. Quality is a vital element of our products and can never be achieved by checks and control alone. Built-in quality procedures are implemented even before design work begins, ensuring correct interpretation of customers' requirements. Our production facilities, where all Egytrafo transformers are manufactured, are certified according to ISO 9001:2015, ISO 14001:2015, ISO 45001:2018. Our test laboratory are certified according to standard ISO IEC 17025. At the end of the manufacturing process, the transformers are individually tested in accordance with the IEC standards. The routine tests are according to IEC 60076-1. Upon request, witness type or special tests can be carried out. As a result of Egytrafo's obviously achieved success in transformers manufacturing, according to the latest IEC standards, by means of the latest production technology and highest quality standards, in addition to meeting customers' requirements, which encouraged us to step further in our dream, in which we established the first dry transformers factory in Egypt in 2007. Egytrafo can manufacture dry cast resin transformers up to 4 megavolt ampere, 33 kilovolts, according to IEC 60076-12. The casting oven availability facilitates casting of different windings types, either aluminum windings for both low voltage and high voltage, or copper windings. All Egytrafo's manufactured transformers undergo all routine tests during each manufacturing phase and before being delivered to clients. With cooperation with Saft, the world first-class battery manufacturer, we manufacture nickel-cadmium batteries up to 800 ampere-hours. According to IEC 60623, nickel-cadmium batteries are used in different applications such as UPS, railways, power stations, airports, and telecommunications. We strongly believe that providing our customers with unique services requires great efforts, teamwork, daily meetings, fulfilling customers' needs, flexibility, persistence, morality, loyalty, confidence, reliability, experience, efficient and durable products. Egytrafo Group is approved in all Egyptian utilities, such as Ministry of Electricity, including all distribution companies, transmission and generation, oil and gas sector, as well as consulting offices. We are proud to be one of the main transformer suppliers in many mega projects in Egypt, since our intention is not only to produce high-quality products for Egyptian market, but also to raise the Egyptian products up high and export our transformers and nickel-cadmium batteries worldwide. We believe in customer support and success. As a result, our after-sales team is ready 24/7 to attend all customers' complaints and have the capacity to serve our customers, either for Egytrafo transformers or any other brand, through site services, workshop repairs, testing and commissioning. In support of our company's principles, values, vision and mission, it is the mission of human resources to support the total operation in meeting its goals through its most valuable resource, its people. We're committed to provide our employees a stable work environment with equal opportunity for learning and personal growth. Creativity and innovation are encouraged for improving the effectiveness of Egytrafo Group. Above all, employees will be provided the same concern, respect, and caring attitude within the organization. We bet on people. Upon Egytrafo Group's strong belief in social accountability, Egytrafo Group Chairman signed an agreement with His Excellency, Minister of Education and Technical Education, to sponsor Battery School of Mechatronics in 2018. Students experience real physical training in various activities inside Egytrafo plants during their 3-year studying journey, which enhances their knowledge and experience, preparing them to compete in the real labor market. The intermediate and final exams are held through the German Arab Chamber of Industry and Commerce in Cairo, where they approve their graduation certificates. Egytrafo, different power vision.
عاطف حلمي يا فندم شركة الشهر المحولة.
حضرتك احنا بنصنع الاي بي ار ده بينتج لاول مره في مصر، بيغطي المشروعات القوميه، بيتركب في توشكا، بيمتاز كتير عن المستورد، اولا بنص سعره مش بنص التكلفه، انتاج مصري حقيقي 100%، ديزاين مصري 100%، بيتصدر في حوالي 20 دوله. وبنعمل برضه حضرتك ده انتاج جديد سمارت ترانسفورمر، اول مره بنعرضه، ده بيبقى بيتحط في اي مكان حضرتك وممكن التحكم فيه من بعد.